Today's video I am making cucumber, eucalyptus, carrot spa bar. Oh, I didn't say that right, but you get the picture. So in here I have my melted coconut oils, and here I have, if you can see this, I think it's a little better. I have cucumbers that are finely ground. That includes the peel. Then I have distilled water. I have sodium hydroxide, and I have some sugar. Feels like a little lump over there. So what I am going to do now, I am going to, oops, before I do that, let me do two more things. I'm going to put 1 drop of ORE, rosemary antioxidant, and this felt a little weird here. Just want to scrape it over here. Feel like a little bit of stuck. Have my 1 drop of rosemary antioxidant, and I am going to add in my cucumber peel extract. Okay, I'm going to give this a quick stir. That's good for full incorporation. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my lye water here, and let's just do this. I'm using my strainer because I felt some lumps. Just make sure there's no chunky pieces of lye in there. Okay, we're good. Finish with this. And now I am going to just stick blend it. Holy smoke, it's splattered. Why is this thing splattering? This is good. This is really splattering. And I forgot, this is one of my more powerful stick blenders. And normally I use a low-powered stick blender for spa bars or salt bars. My bad, definitely. Ugh, splattered all over the place. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my embeds here. These are carrot embeds. So add them in. I'm going to get these fully incorporated. These are here. This is at very light trace. Now I am going to add in my oil, my blend. I'm using a combination of an essential oil and Eucalyptus Globulus and a fragrance oil. It's about 75% EO and 25% fragrance. Adding it in. And I'm just going to stir this up real quick. And next I am going to start to add in, I'm adding in my salt. And I am going to stir this till it is at a light trace. I think it's good enough now. It's at emulsification, so I'm going to be applying some heat to it. And when I apply the heat to it, it'll take it all the way through. So here is my skin. I want to weigh these so each bar will be about 6 ounces, hopefully, plus or minus. Just for my first bar. Okay, that's finished. Let me set up my heat. Set this up right. I'm making in my bed here, so it should be good. Warm bed. And I'll move this over here. Where my brain was. I should have already had it in. I should have known better. Okay, this is a complete mess. I take this off. I'm going to set it to the side. I'm going to allow it to dry, and I'm going to throw it in the washing machine. When I finished, lesson learned. I don't know why I didn't, for whatever reason, I forgot that I should have had a base. It is what it is. Crap happens. So let's start this all over again. What I call my used towels. They're old, they're beat up, but they're perfect for soap making and for stuff like this, because it's not the end of the world. Now I have my stabilizer. I don't know where my brain was before. I have this right here. I'm going to use this to cover. I'm glad I'm test batching this. I'm testing this batch. As you want to see, I'm testing it for color and for feel. I know the feel's going to be great. Here. Okay. Still have this position. And I'm going to put it on high. A little more. Leave it on high. And let's see if I was able to fix my problem. I will be back for the unmolding. Probably about, I'm going to give it at least 12 hours before I unmold it. Salt bars you can unmold a lot faster than we can bars, like regular bars. Now it is time to unveil the soap. It has been sitting for about 24 hours. Originally I said 12. Got busy, started doing some other stuff, so I just let it sit overnight. We're going to take off this, and this moved a little bit. Take a look. Now it felt pretty hard, and they fall out of the mold easily, and which most salt bars do. I see a little bit residue here from, and that will dissolve. It's from the essential oil. And that's not uncommon. Something there. It smells really good. Now, if you could take a good look here, you can see a few of the greens from the cucumber. You can see it in this one and this one. I'm going to do now, since these are still, they're hard. Let me see. Normally you can't do this. Let me see if I can. I am going to see if I can just bevel the edges a little bit. Not sure if it's going to work. I don't know if this will work. Nothing's beveling. If you think about it, right, when I put them in the mold, it was a real dark color. Now they're very light. Let me try to use this to bevel the edges just to see if I can get anything. Yep, and it's coming along. Salt bars, normally you can't bevel them. I'm going to try anyway. Just take away some of the sharpness. So I think what I'm going to do with this, I like the thought of having the cucumber extract. However, I'm not sure if that, I think it made it turn too brown and you can't see the carrot. So I am probably going to remake this. But when I remake it, I'm going to do it without the cucumber extract, but just with the plain cucumbers and see what it looks like. And last thing I want to do here, let's see. I spilled so much of the soap. Let's do a weight. So originally, I was supposed to get about 6 ounces pre-curing of about a 6-ounce bar pre-curing. So let me see how much they weigh because of the spill. So this is for 4.5 ounces. 4 ounces. Yeah, I lost a lot. Oops. 4.8. So bottom line, lost a lot of soap during the spill. I'm guessing 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably lost about 5 ounces of soap spilling. Okay then, so thank you for joining me. This is Vanessa from Daganya Aromatics. Natural products for the 3 dimensions of you. You are a spirit. You have a soul, and you live in a body that is fearfully and wonderfully made. Stay safe, be abundantly blessed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.